One of the biggest ever changes that has ever happened to paid advertising has just been announced. And for many people, it's quietly slipping under the radar. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through what that opportunity is, how you can make the most of it, and what it actually means for marketers in 2026 and beyond. Now, for those of you that missed it, Google just announced that they're going to start introducing paid ads into AI mode, which means there's now going to be sponsored results showing up in AI mode. Now, they had already started to introduce paid ads into the AI overviews on Google search, but after ChatGPT announced that they're going to start introducing ads into AI, I think that Google used this to sort of slide under the radar as ChatGPT was taking the slack in order to start introducing ads into AI mode. Now, Google has taken its time, primarily because they've been facing the classic innovator's dilemma. Google makes hundreds of billions every single year from their traditional search model where you get the 10 blue links and the sponsored results at the top. And they've been slowly losing some of their market dominance to more and more people using ChatGPT because they prefer the AI answers. This is why they've been pushing AI overviews and AI mode even more. However, obviously, as they do that and more people use AI, they potentially earn less revenue for the sponsored results because people are going to AI instead of actually clicking through all the links. However, since ChatGPT has now started to introduce ads in AI, this is now giving Google the perfect opportunity to start making that transition away from just the normal cost per click model to now showing ads in AI. In terms of actually how they're doing this, they're using the Universal Commerce Protocol, which is essentially the building blocks for agentic commerce. So this is essentially how these AI search engines are going to be introducing shopping into their AI results, which actually means you're going to be able to check out within the AI itself, which massively compresses the buyer journey and is actually a really important thing for e-commerce businesses to understand, because the experience that users are having with your brand is no longer just about your website. It's also how you appear in AI search engines and how Universal Commerce Protocol is allowing people to interact with your website. As you can see here, Universal Commerce Protocol has been built by some of the biggest e-commerce sites in the world. And essentially what this allows people to do is solve the fragmented commerce journeys that lead to abandoned carts and frustrated shoppers, and enable agentic commerce, which in English just basically means that AI agents and people are going to be able to check out something from your business directly within AI. Just to give you an example of what this is actually going to look like. So when I type something into Google, such as best marathon shoes, you can see we've got the ability to jump into AI mode here. You can see we've got the traditional sponsored shopping results. And if I scroll down, we've also got the AI overview. Now, if I click into AI mode here, which is essentially Gemini, or go all the way to the bottom of the AI overview, you can see we've got the ability to dive deeper in AI mode. And as I said, Google is going to be pushing this more and more because people just prefer to get these AI answers to get straight to the point instead of clicking through 10 blue links. As you can see here, there are some shopping results within this answer. And essentially what this announcement means is you're soon going to start to see sponsored results in this result here. Now, whether you're a brand or an agency looking to get lower CPAs, I think this is going to be a massive opportunity because this introduces a new mode of advertising where we combine targeting and intent. AI search engines know so much about us, and when consumers are looking for solutions to their problems, if you can get your product in there at the right time, that is absolutely going to print cash. Now, to give you another example of what this could look like, if I search for best air fryer in ChatGPT and also in AI mode, you can see we've got these featured products here. And what ChatGPT, I believe, is going to do, and Google has already announced they're going to do, is introduce these sponsored results, probably most likely at the start of the recommendations. Now, the key difference between ChatGPT ads as they've been announced and these AI mode ads that Google have just announced is ChatGPT ads are only going to show up as a banner at the bottom of the answer. However, in AI mode, the ads are actually going to show up within the answer itself, which I think is going to lead to higher conversion rates because many consumers are just going to think that these products are part of the answer, which they naturally already trust, which again is going to be massive for advertisers. Now, when it comes to this being an opportunity, I don't think this is just an opportunity for bottom of funnel keywords when someone's specifically looking for a product. If you actually look how people are using ChatGPT, and I imagine this is very similar for Gemini, people are going to these tools for so many different things. People go to ChatGPT and Gemini for specific information, how-to advice for writing, etc. And your ads are not just going to show up when people are looking for purchasable products, but when people are going to look for specific information or how-to advice in order to overcome the problems that they're facing. If your products can show up at the time when someone is looking for a solution, i.e. they have intent to buy, they're looking to solve the problems, I think that this is what's going to make this probably the most powerful advertising opportunity for businesses in the next decade. What makes this even more interesting, you'll see from ChatGPT announcements, is that they've also started to introduce these ads where you can actually chat with the advertiser. As you can see here, soon you might see an ad and be able to directly ask the questions you need to make the purchase decision. So as I've already mentioned, the purchase journey is being massively compressed, and users are going to be able to go all the way through discovery, consideration, and then checking out within AI, all within the AI search engines themselves, which again is a massive shift that you need to understand, especially as these agents continually go out and do more things for us. Now, as you as a brand or an agency want to learn how to get a competitive advantage in this new AI advertising space, I actually, in the first link in the description, have a free community where I share how to create winning ChatGPT and Google AI ads. I'm going to be sharing all the blueprints, all the best practices as I build my tool at Intel, which is going to be the complete workflow to allow you to create winning ads in ChatGPT and Google AI mode. So feel free to check out those in the description. Now, the first thing that I want you to do is make sure you've optimized your product on Google Merchant Center. When you're running Google ads and you want to show your products in sponsored results, Google is going to take the information from your Google Merchant Center. So you want to make sure that you fully optimize all of your products, included all the information in them, and also done conversion rate optimization on all the titles, descriptions, and images, so that when you're actually able to show your products in ads, you're in the best possible position in order to start getting conversions through this agentic experience. The second thing that you should be doing is exploring AI Max in performance campaigns. Now, it hasn't been confirmed exactly how you can run these ads in AI mode and eventually Gemini right now. However, if you want to run ads in AI overviews, then you turn on AI Max performance within your campaigns. And this gives you the ability to show your products within the AI overviews. So you can naturally assume that if you want to show products in AI mode and eventually Gemini, this is going to be the way that you can do it. So you can start exploring this right now to see how your products show up in AI overviews and then eventually AI mode. The third thing that you can be doing, following up on what we spoke about earlier, is making sure that your products are ranking organically in AI search engines like Gemini, AI mode, ChatGPT, all those different platforms. Because the most successful businesses that I know treat the results, whether it be page one or the answer that AI is providing you, as a game. They try and get as many spots in the answer or on page one as possible. So when you're actually able to advertise on these platforms, if you're also ranking organically in the results, you actually get 2 swings in order to get a conversion. And this is going to put you in a great position when it comes to beating your competitors. So there you are, everyone. That is potentially one of the biggest changes in advertising that we've seen, and something that is going to change how businesses grow and how consumers interact with these answer engines in the future. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Check out the links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.